Welcome back, everybody. So today I'm going to get the car ready to start sanding it. I got everything off of it that pretty much is going to come off of it, except possibly the door handles at this point. I had removed all the taillight stuff, all the wheel wells, pretty much everything that I can get off without damaging too much. I decided that I'm going to keep the trim on the car because all of that stuff, I try to get off, all the bolts are stripped on it, and it's just going to be more of a nightmare to take all that off. So I'm just going to have to take the time and tape all that stuff up. Also to the front lights in there, you actually have to take the front fascia off to take those out. I'm just going to tape those off. Also the rear lights on the side there too, same thing, they're stripped off in there. So I'm going to just take my time and tape those off really nice too. So other than that, I'm going to start by taping off everything right now, not for paint, but I'm going to tape off everything just kind of quickly, so when I'm sanding it, I don't accidentally sand the trim, make it worse, or sand the glass or the light or something like that. So I'm going to go around all the edges that touch paint, and I'm just going to put some masking tape on that stuff just to kind of prevent that from making it worse, since that stuff is going to be taped off. So I'm going to start with that, then we're going to put up this tent and then move the car over and get ready to sand it. We now have our D.I.Y Cat Delete pipes back in stock. We also have our new bolt-in test pipe kits that include all the hardware and the gaskets. Check the link in the description or visit @blissbowen.com. All right, so I'm going to start off using some 1-inch blue painter's tape from Scotch 3M and some 1.5 inch. Got this from Home Depot. You could pick it up anywhere. So car's masked up, wheels are back on it, getting ready to take it off the jack stands, move it over, and get this tent put up. tent up, so if you're not gonna be sanding your car, you could also be hosting weddings once you have this, because that's what that kind of looks like. I'm also gonna hang some plastic up that way, and the entrance too. And I'm gonna tape that all off, because all this came was with 4 walls, but I just figured I could use plastic for the rest. But at least it'll keep the dust down and keep it from going all over the shop. All right, so I have it all ready now, so I'm gonna give you a quick tour. This is the entrance. So everything is sealed off, even on the floor here. This is the back wall. So that should keep all the dust in. Okay, now that I got this room complete in here, it's all taped off and sealed. I got the car pretty much ready to sand, so that's what we're gonna tackle next week. I'm gonna go over all the little spots and just start sanding this whole car and get this thing prepped. So if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. Thanks for watching.